I'm John Cohen, and this is my tech. This is the Kensington MagPro Elite privacy screen. It is a great add-on for both the 14-inch and the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Let's have a look. As we're out and about and using our computers more and more public spaces, whether it be a coffee shop, a restaurant, or just a hotel lounge, privacy should be top of mind. Whether you're a physician, an accountant, a lawyer, or just a general average day user, you should always be aware that there are prying eyes always looking around. Kensington has come up with a very simple but ingenious idea that will allow you to have better privacy for your data. This privacy screen fits right on either your 14-inch or your 16-inch MacBook Pro using the magnets that are affixed to the top of the screen. Super easy to use, and it gives 30-degree viewing angles, so that means people have to be 30 degrees to your left or 30 degrees to your right to see it. Anything more than that, they won't see anything. So whether they're standing right behind you, they'll see it. If they're standing to your slight left, they'll see. And if they're standing to your slight right, they'll see. But let's be honest, if someone's that close to you, you should notice them. Included in the package, besides for a cleaning cloth, is this little folio, which basically is a storage container for this privacy screen when you're not using it. And when you are using it, it's really, really easy to use. Another thing that I really like about this product is that it has two sides to it. One being a glossy finish and the other one being a matte. So if you are going to use it outdoors, the matte finish is going to give you less reflection. And if you're going to use it indoors in a lower light situation, the glossy might be fine also. Of course, you can just flip them upside down and decide which is the right side for you. When we're ready to use the privacy screen, it's super easy to install. We're going to go ahead and open up our laptop. You have the cutout over here for your camera. And all you're going to do is line up the top with the camera and just press on the bottom and it sticks. And just like that, the screen is installed. And as I turn it, you can see when we look head on versus at a 30-degree angle and how it goes ahead and dims right away, so no prying eyes are going to see. A couple things to note. First is that you do get blue light protection from this privacy screen, so very helpful for your eyes. The other thing is that you do lose some brightness, probably 1 or 2 bars of brightness, so you do have to turn your brightness up a little bit more if you want to compensate. So in an outdoor area, it's going to be a little bit harder to see. Or if you're going to use it in a coffee shop or something like that, you'll have to turn up the brightness, which will affect your battery life. Of course, you can still close the laptop with it in, and it's still protected very nice. You don't have to really worry. It doesn't add any thickness to the actual screen. But of course, if you want to take it off and store it, very easy to do also. It's just a matter of grabbing the top and just removing it that way. And super easy to do. And then just stick it into the folio here and it's stored away for future use. All in all, a great product from Kensington. I will put a full description below and you can see if this is the right product for you. This is John. Here's a couple other videos that you might like, and feel free to subscribe.